Hi guys, so nagbabalik naman yung Vloggers Friend Control yan for today's video. Dito kami sa Target guys. So meron kaming activity. Bibili sila ng gift para sa isa't isa. So ayan, si Lupi. Ito, $25. Kay Lupi is $25. Then mag-gift siya kay ate Baleng worth $15. Yan, hanap mo na siya ng gift niya. That's for you or ate Baleng?
You said this. You said you're going to give something to Ate Baleng.
That's her gift to ate Baleng? Ano?
Let's give to Ate Baleng.
Sabi ko $15 lang, $25 yan. You get, tingin ka pa. Sa'yo ang 25, kay ate Baleng 15. Go.
52.
No, 15 lang yung budget mo para kay ate Baleng. Yung gift mo,
15.
1.5. Tapos sa'yo, 25. Go. Hintayin natin kung ano yung... Meron pa siya basket. Akala mo talaga laki na bibili.
I'm going to think.
Again, what are you gonna give to ate Baleng? Go.
I'm just going to get this stuff.
Hindi, kasi kinahanap ka na. Si ate Baleng lumayo para hindi rin makita ni Lupi yung gift niya para kay Lupi. Go. Your gift to ate Baleng, Lupi.
He's a gift.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Macy? Ala, kay ate Baleng, gusto ba ni ate Baleng yan? Oh, you choose naman for you. What do you want?
For me?
You give this to us.
But this is for babies.
Oh, that's for babies. Go.
Give this to us.
Hindi ko makita si ate Baleng.
What about this one?
Penguin.
Penguin.
My favorite is penguins.
You don't want to give this to ate?
I'm gonna give this to Ate Baleng.
Oy, 15 lang budget mo. Ang dami mo nang isa lang. You only choose
It's
one.
going to be mine.
It's for you? Okay.
I like penguins.
Okay. Oh, kasi ate Baleng.
So, Ate Baleng?
Strong.
Uy, hindi yan ano. City yan eh. What's that? Ito dito sa ano. Ito yung mga toys guys. Oh.
What's this? What's here?
Ate, what's your gift to Ate Lucian?
I do not know.
Sige, pili ka naman.
Stop recording.
Ay, tingnan nyo guys. Oh, may mga awala dito. 35. What's that? Is that for Lucian?
No, just something to have fun with. Table tennis set. She'll always stop recording me.
Ito yung mga green. Sana pa ko lang, wala pa pala akong gift kay Lupi. Ano ba yan? Lang. Choose na anong gift mo kay Lupi. It's either yan.
Or these.
Ikaw. Make sure na ma-enjoy ng kapatid mo. Parang maganda rin to. 3+. Inflatable alley hoop. May mababasag pa sa bahay kapag ganyan. Go. Dahil naghanap na rin siya ng iregalo ko daw sa kanya guys. Gusto niya instant pot. Kasi gusto niya magbulalo. Ang tagal na kami naghahanap ng ano guys. Ng, ang tawag dyan? Matagal natin hinahanap? Pressure cooker. So, ayan. Hanap kami. Slow cooker. Possible cooker. Ano ba yung possible cooker na yan? Ano? Tingnan mo to.
Wala namang pressure yan.
Wala bang pressure yan? Parang wala nga.
Wala.
Yes!
Dude, what's that dynamite thing and with the steak? What's that thing?
What's-
With the steak and this red white bag.
I don't
And
know.
we do like this.
Fishing rod?
No. And this a bag in the end.
Kaya mo yan, daddy. So, it's between this one, one pot wonder, saka ito.
Go.
Hanap kami ng bibili namin dito sa Target, guys.
Go. Me.
What's your gift to Ate Balay muna?
Mm.
What's that? What's the...
P.O. Pop.
Huh?
Pop.
Pop?
Yeah.
What's this one? What's inside this?
Karaka.
How much is this? How much is that?
Should do for myself.
I don't know. And this one is for you.
Yeah.
May penguin ka na, di ba, sa house? You have the penguin costume na.
The penguin costume? I don't have the penguin costume.
You have the black one.
Black penguin.
Mm-hmm.
Blanket?
No, yung this one, like this one, the oxalato.
No,
The pajama.
no, it's a panda.
Ah, isa panda. Isa tap. Okay.
It's not the.
Ganda rin ito, guys. Next count gaming. Mga poodle, guys.
Loopy, take your. Oh, that's cold.
Cold na. Magkakasipon ka na naman,
My,
ha?
my little big spot is here.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, really.
So, ayan. Mga puro gift lang, guys, ang aming nabili for today's video. Kasi sa Friday pa kayo mag-grocery. Hi, ate.
And we got this too.
Yeah. Nabudol si Mami.
I got food.
Show me your brand new plushie. What's the name of your plushie?
Froggy.
Huh?
Froggy.
Froggy. Okay.
Sit with me.
Okay.
Okay, sit with me.
Okay.
Sit with me, mommy.
No, daddy. Ay, ate Balay.
No, please sit with me. Please sit with me.
Yeah,
Sit
okay.
with me.
So, ito ang gift ni daddy. Ito yung mga nabili namin para sa mga bata. Ano lang naman to? Para sa stockings. Ito, nagugutom na ako.
Gutom ka na?
Libre mo ako?
Ikaw nga malilibre sa akin.
Nakakabili ko lang. Libre mo ako.
Yeah. Patigasan tayo.
Okay. You tell me more about your plushie that you bought earlier.
His name is Blush.
Show them your plushie. How about you, ate? Where's your plushie? What's the name of your plushie?
George says on the.
George?
Can I see?
Where's the name? Oh, taray naman pala talaga yung mga plushie dito. Tingnan natin yung mga pinamili natin, guys. Sabang kami nag-aantay ng order ni daddy dito sa Wendy's. Alas 3 na rin kasi eh. So, tingnan natin dito yung mga pinamili natin. Itong Instapot, gift ko kay daddy. Pero nakita niya, mas maganda yan. Tapos, itong ano to? Ito mamaya gagawin ng mga kids kapag may time pa sila. Or itong Mini Village Gingerbread Kit. Matagal lang nire-request ni Lupi to eh. Silang dalawa ni ate mamaya gagawa sila niyan. Then we have here yung pasal ni ate. Ano ba? Mga mga sale lang to dun sa Target eh. Mga pang ano lang, pampuno lang natin dun sa stockings nila sa Christmas tree. Ito syempre kay ate, which is 1,000 pesos, guys. Star Wars. Ito kay Luffy. No, no. Hindi mo pwedeng tingnan. Ito ang kanya. Favorite niya rin to. Para surprise. Ay, no. Ate tumitingin no. Bumili para sa atin ng takis. Then, ito yung gift ni ate para kay Luffy. Kasi nahihilig na siya ngayon sa Pokemon naman si Luffy, guys. Nakalagay naman 6+. So, hopefully matuwa si Luffy sa gift ni ate. This one, to Ate Baleng. Para lang sa pangpuno ng ating stockings. Ano pa ba? Ito, gift ni Luffy para kay Ate Baleng. Yan. This is your gift to Ate Baleng.
No.
The Pop Star Wars.
Let me see.
And what else? What else do we have here? Book lang. Yan, yun yung mga binili lang namin para lang sa pangpuno ng ating Christmas stockings. Christmas stockings. Sa mga stockings ng mga bata. Babalutin ni ate later. Tagal naman ang order namin. Umorder kami dun sa Wendy's, guys.
Yeah, I think it's going to go forever. I think it's going to go forever.
It's going to what?
I think it's going to go forever.
Go?
Forever.
What do you mean by that?
The making food
They're making food and then?
is going to go forever to make food.
Hamburger. I have my hamburger. Lucian has, ano meron sa'yo? What's that? Fries?
Yeah.
Burger kay Daddy. What's yours, ate?
Spicy nuggets.
Can I see? Oh. Kain tayo, guys. Habang nag-aantay ng oras. Nag-aantay ng oras. Ano na eh, 3:51.
This is a cheeseburger.
This is a hamburger. That's a cheeseburger.
It's a cheeseburger.
Tingnan natin kung anong hamburger nila dito. Sa Wendy's.
Oh, yummy, yummy, yum.
Yan man sa akin. Tignan mo, may bacon sa loob.
Cheese.
Yummy, yummy, yum.
So, yan na itsura ng
So yummy.
happy hamburger. Kain tayo.
That's so yummy.
So, ayan na yung mga gift. Nakabalot na rin siya, guys. Excited na ako mag-Christmas para matingnan natin kung ano yung mga gift na yan. So, doon ko na tapusin ang vlog for today's video. Thank you for watching this vlog. See you in the next vlog. Bye!